Hi, it's Veronique, and today we're talking about 3 reasons why you may be stuck and not able to lose weight, because you embark on a program and you say, I want to lose 20 pounds in the next weeks, but you haven't looked at yourself holistically. And this is what we do in the CogniDiet. I really believe that we have to look at you as a whole person. So there are 3 elements of your person that have to be taken into account when you have decided to lose weight. The first one is your mind. The second one, very important, is your heart. And the third one is, of course, your body. So how to get ready? In fact, it's one method to unlock the power that is within you. But if you don't unlock those 3 things at the same time, something will continue to work against you. Okay? So I don't want you to be frustrated. I want you to be successful. Let's look first at your mind. Very often my clients come to me and they say, I want to lose this. I want to be in a bikini within the next 6 months. I want to be able to run again, whatever it is. Very goal-oriented, very action and appearance-oriented. Yes, I have people coming to me and saying, I want to lose weight for my health, which is very important, of course. But your mind is what dictates what are your strongest desires. Your desire to lose weight must be aligned with the fact that you say you want to lose weight. Your pounds are like a metaphor. They are surrounding, they are covering your body as like a fortress, a protection, a way to hide, a way to escape from maybe some truths about yourself you don't like. And I always say, take a piece of paper and a pen and start to write down not your goals. Well, you have to have goals, but today I want you to write, I want to lose weight because I want to feel ... What is it that you want to feel? What do you want to unlock about yourself? The second one is your heart. You have to love yourself before you can really shed those pounds. You cannot say, I want to lose those pounds because I am ugly, I am fat, I am this. No, you have to focus on the positives about yourself. It's like the foundation of your house, and from there, you are building all the other layers. But those layers are, in fact, losing weight. I love my eyes, I love my boobs, I love my legs, whatever it is. Look at yourself in the mirror. There is beauty in everybody. Every human being is beautiful. What you want to do is chisel yourself. You want to, make some changes for multiple reasons. But you have to love what is there as a foundation and build from there. Okay, so I want you as a second exercise to write all the things you love about yourself and use them as an asset. Imagine you're building a house. This is your foundation. And 3, it's an action I'm asking you to take, because sometimes clients come to me and they are frustrated. They are starving themselves, not on my program, but they exercise like crazy and they cannot lose the pounds. Okay, maybe yes, there is a way to eat more scientifically, but your health, the state of your body, can be working against you. So I'm going to tell you that there are a few things you need to check. Okay? The number 1 is, if your diet is mostly processed foods, packaged foods, and sugar, your body is in a state of inflammation. And when your body is in a state of inflammation, it's not going to shed the pounds. So you have to get rid of the inflammation first. And the way you do this is by eliminating processed foods and sugar and eat as naturally as you can. Not even for weight loss. Just eat naturally. Vegetables, good fat, good protein, okay, lots of greens and lots of water. The second reason can be that you are already insulin resistant. Do you know your A1C? Do you know if you are between 5.7 and 6.5? Your A1C measures the level of glucose in your blood for the past 3 months. If you are pre-diabetic, it's gonna start to be difficult to lose weight because you're not that good anymore at processing glucose in your body. So go to your doctor and demand that test, not just the fasting glucose, which sometimes can be a fluke. Ask for your A1C. Okay, if you see you are above 5.7 but below 6.5, you really have to eliminate sugar and processed foods as well. The third reason may be that your liver, who is the cleaner and the processor of everything in your body, is not working properly because it's fatty. You know those geese and those ducks that are fed corn until their liver is fatty and those French crazy people eat it? Well, this is what's happening to 90 million American, 90 million American. And why? Because we eat too much sugar, and especially coming from corn, glucose and fructose. And this, believe it or not, makes you a fatty liver. So first ask your doctor to check your enzymes. This is already an indication if your liver works well or not. And then it can be confirmed via, imaging. They're gonna see the level of fat in your liver. I had a fatty liver at 45 because I had adopted a very unhealthy diet. I don't have a fatty liver anymore because I came back to eating naturally, okay? The fourth reason, maybe your thyroid is getting older and is getting lazier. So you're not metabolizing food and burning calories as well as you used to. So check it, but check it with a specialist. It's called the art of dealing with your thyroid, because too much of this or too much of that, and you completely screw yourself, pardon my French. So check with an endocrinologist if you have a feeling that maybe you are not metabolizing and burning calories the way you used to. And last but not least, a difficult topic, but once we get menopause, everything goes down in our body, the estrogen, the progesterone, and even the testosterone. This has an impact on our appetite. It goes up. And also this is impacting our muscle mass. So I'm not telling you have to go and be on HRT, but if this is really working against you, I would also recommend that you discuss this with a specialist. But the liver, the blood sugar level, the thyroid, and the inflammation in your body, you really have to check this, because if this is being dealt with, you are going to shed those pounds like there is no tomorrow. Okay, so deal with your mind, deal with your heart, be gentle with yourself, love yourself, and then do your homework and talk to your doctor. And then you will be completely set up for a very, very successful weight loss journey. And I hope the CogniDiet will help you, either in our classes or in this program I started online, where you hear me and you see my slides every week. I give you like a little boost of energy and confidence, and you follow the program with my book. It's working, and I hope you're going to join us. Have a wonderful spring. Bye.